The former corporate controller of the Trump organization broke down into tears on Tuesday while testifying in former President Donald Trump's $250 million civil fraud trial. Ex-Trump executive Jeffrey McConney took the witness stand for the fourth day in the trial and gave quite the performance for his audience of one. When asked by defense lawyer Jesus M. Suarez why he no longer works at the company, McConney appeared to have been crying. "I'm an honest person," he mumbled through tears. "I get to do things that a normal accountant wouldn't be able to do. I'm very proud of the work I did in the 35 years. So here's an example of the work that he did. So in a previous trial, he was granted immunity to testify in Trump's criminal tax fraud trial, where he admitted to helping other executives dodge taxes. He was very happy to help them dodge taxes, by the way. Court records from previous court cases also showed that he played an integral part in Trump's ploy to direct charitable funds to then Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi, leading to that charity being shut down. This is the work that he's very, very proud of doing. So that's who this guy is. Now, the reason for the tears is that he's just so upset. The prosecutors keep coming after him. So upset that he just had to quit and take a severance. He said, "I just want to relax and stop being accused of misrepresenting assets with the company that I was working for. I think everything was justified. I feel proud of what I did." Now, he quit, by the way, right before this trial. So, but it's just, I don't want to be misrepresented. I don't want to be accused of misrepresenting things. That must be it. Yes. Oh, it's not the $500,000 in severance, right? It's not that, of which only $375,000 has been paid out. So we're currently waiting on the rest of the money. Probably contingent on his performance. Well, I would say that he earned his $125,000. Look, McConney's the fall guy. 100%. 100%. During the Manhattan DA trial last year, McConney also was the fall guy, took a lot of the blame, chalking up these valuations to personal mistakes. A juror later told the Daily Beast the jury quickly grew tired of his antics after fully realizing that he was stonewalling the prosecution and just could not say enough for the defense. So that was the Trump organization fraud trial, of which they were found liable. So yes, they did fraud. Now, the outlet notes that McConney played the same know-nothing role when AG lawyers last month grilled him on his role in the alleged bank and insurance fraud plot, which involved nearly a dozen real estate projects over the course of a decade. Now, of course, he's playing the same game because it worked out for him very, very well. Again, he got a lot of money. Following his tearful display, McConney quickly recovered his composure before getting follow-up questions from Andrew Ammer, Special Litigation Counsel for the Attorney General, and went right back to claiming that he knows nothing about contradictions in his testimony. "I can't explain that, don't know, don't remember." On Monday, McConney asserted that outside hired accountants at the firm Mazars USA had written a particular paragraph in Trump's 2015 financial statement that was full of caveats, which that is exactly what the Trump defense team's argument is. But on cross-examination on Tuesday, Ammer pulled out an image on the screen facing the courtroom and pointed out that McConney had written down the very same paragraph in blue pen. The handwritten note touted the tycoon's brand value and the way it afforded Mr. Trump the opportunity to participate in licensing deals around the globe as reflected on the balance sheet herein. When Ammer asked him about it, McConney answered, "I don't know. I don't remember who wrote it." "Oh, did I write that? Oh, maybe I would remember, but maybe I don't remember." You know what I'm saying?
Bullshit.
Yeah, that's what I say. Look, this guy was paid off to take the blame, and he took the money, and he's staying loyal to Trump. That's it. The severance package right there. I mean, he's got 375,000 reasons to, stay loyal to Donald Trump. That should be a gigantic red flag that you can't take any of his testimony seriously. Come on, it's very, very clear that he took the money and is testifying in order to get the rest of the money. So look, there is, though, one thing that McConney did mess up on that could hurt Trump. During his testimony, McConney said the Trump organization valued Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate as a residence, not a social club, according to the Messenger's Adam Clasfield. In her suit, James says the estate is operated as a social club, but valued as a private residence in order to evade restrictions and taxes. You know what that is? That constitutes fraud. Now, when asked, of course, he says, well, I don't remember how it got valued as a private residence rather than a club. Oh, yes. Now, he admitted there's fraud, but he just doesn't remember how it happened. Oh, how convenient. The tax fraud that we admitted to, don't remember if it was me. I don't know how it happened. It just happened. Right. So, look, this guy's trying to very obviously shield Trump from taking responsibility for the tax fraud. And again, Judge Engoron has already ruled that Trump is liable for tax fraud, that there was tax fraud that happened. Okay. And so this guy is trying to take the blame. He's trying to take the fall for it. And I'm hoping that people can see right through him. I know it doesn't take a genius to see that this guy is absolutely trying to take the fall for Trump.